Welcome to the book of Proverbs, where wisdom's call echoes through the ages. Wisdom beckons us to leave our simplistic ways behind and embrace the path of understanding. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, and it's the foundation of true wisdom. Wisdom's benefits. Embracing wisdom brings joy, peace, and prosperity to those who seek it. We have a choice to walk in wisdom's ways or to follow the path of folly. Wisdom warns us of the dangers of complacency and the importance of living with integrity. Heed the call of wisdom and find life's greatest treasure.